Storm Tracker 9 weather with meteorologist Melissa Frey.
Well, heavy snow obviously continuing to fall here across western Oregon, and that is quickly now making its way even into the northern valley. Portland now bracing for this second storm that we have been dealing with since about 6 o'clock this morning. And of course, this heavy snow that we're seeing falling on top of everything that fell yesterday as temperatures did continue to stay below freezing overnight. Winter storm warning still in effect for all the white areas that you see on the map this morning. This continues all the way through 6 o'clock tomorrow morning as we continue to see heavy snow and freezing rain tonight, and another round headed our direction for Saturday. Head south into Douglas County, even southern Lake County. For you folks, not much of a concern at this point. Temperatures have warmed up and you are starting to see rain south of Cottage Grove. Head out to the coast. Heavy rain there today, but there is a new problem. This storm is also going to pack in some strong winds tonight. High wind warnings in effect until 1 a.m. tonight as we do see wind gusts of around 65 miles per hour on the way. So something you want to be prepared for the coast. For those of us here in the valley, through the I-5 corridor, through the Coast Range and the Cascades, snow and that wintry precipitation is the main concern. And you can see at this hour, heavy snow widespread for all of northern county, northern Lane County, I should say, Benton, Linn counties, and then as you head further north of Salem. Now, locally, we are starting to see a transition. We saw this yesterday afternoon as well. As you head into Eugene, the purple areas that you see here are freezing rain, and then as you head into the pink areas, that is snow-rain mix. When you head south toward Cottage Grove, plain old rain. We're also seeing plain old rain out in Florence at this hour. That transition to freezing rain and sleet is going to continue to happen as we head into this afternoon as warmer air continues to move in. But you say, wait a minute, it's only 22 degrees outside or 23. How is that possible that snow is melting? Well, the layer just above the surface is above freezing, and it's that warm air that is melting those snowflakes, and then they refreeze when they get here to the surface. Still very treacherous and even worse to drive on than plain snow, and we'll continue to see likely that combination of snow and freezing rain as we head into this afternoon. So this is storm number 2 of this 3-storm series that we're seeing right now. Storm number 3 moves in tomorrow. You'll hardly know a separation between those two, but that will pick up that precipitation. Now, both of these storms packing in a whole lot of moisture than what we saw yesterday. We're already seeing that by how heavy that precipitation is this morning, but they're also significantly warmer, and that's why we're gradually starting to see that mix of freezing rain. These storms did start down near Hawaii rather than Alaska, so quite a bit different than what we saw yesterday. So breaking it down, today we are seeing that snow switching over to freezing rain for the South Valley. That will continue to make its way to the north. Eventually, even Corvallis will see freezing rain late tonight, early tomorrow. So tonight it's going to be icy inland, and then it's going to be wet and windy at the coast. Saturday, snow switching over to freezing rain once again. We'll continue to warm up with that storm, and then by Sunday we should be even warmer, continuing to see more rain mixed with this snow as time goes on. So for the coast, rain, low to mid 40s, windy tonight. Again, gusts up to about 45 miles per inland, about 65 when you head out to the beach and further south. For the Umpqua Basin, 40s for you, plain old rain. Not too big of a deal there today. Cascades, heavy snow, another 6 to 12 inches tonight. More on the way tomorrow. Central Oregon, mid to upper 20s, 5 to 10 inches of snow for you folks. And for the valley, again, 3 to 4 inches of snow today, on top of another round of 1/10 to 1/4 of an inch of ice here, especially further south in the valley. So for the coast, again, seeing windy conditions tonight. Otherwise, it is just extremely soggy over the next 7-day stretch. High temperatures do get to the mid-50s here by Monday. The Umpqua Basin also warming to the 50s starting this weekend. Plain old rain for you. As you head into the Cascades, heavy snow today, tomorrow. That'll mix with a little snow midweek. But again, a lot of snow for the passes, which is a good thing for those ski resorts. And for the valley, again, high temperatures today still only in the mid-20s, not getting above freezing until tomorrow. And then as we head into Sunday, hopefully we warm back above freezing for the first time.
Who complained we need rain?
I know. We asked for it when it rains, of course.
We got it. Well, you know,